2006 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, center armrest, electronic stability control, compass, fog lights, security system, CD player, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, leather seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.